getting tattoos today in Jamaica. Let's see. Looks quite abandoned.
Just reach the shop at all. Let's fuck up early.
So, just hanging around.
Yo, bro. My walk come collect thing from you, see? But me send a slip on WhatsApp my print to printing a walk.
No. Is it all in caps? No, lower.
I want it about 7 inches. No man. One start
I
from
saw
7
like that,
inches.
but like thin. I want it
7
more
inches,
thin.
10 inches, and maybe 13.
It was supposed to be
Like
thin.
that.
It was supposed to be like that.
Alright,
I
bro.
like that. Yeah, that's cute.
Yeah, bro.
It's a bit spacey though. Is that good?
I kind of like that spacey look.
That's what
But-
she looks, but you.
Maybe a little less spacey.
What do you think? Like
100,000.
100,000.
Yeah.
Cheap.
I'm gonna send it back to you here home.
100,000.
Same as Homeland.
Live here?
Soon come.
Oh.
I'm here. I'm not leaving. I just
Well.
haven't paid to find somewhere to live, you know.
Jamaica is very hard to live, right?
What, to find somewhere to live or just live in general?
Live in. Maybe.
You
For the
what?
better.
Feeling down.
Feeling down?
Feeling
And then
down.
you feel happy?
Yeah,
feel happy?
You guys lift my spirit up.
That's
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Because I lose a friend this morning.
Oh,
Okay, you and I.
I'm sorry to
I'm
hear that.
sorry.
So you can put the both of them on the same size. This is what would happen if you go to the place now. And that's what I was saying. I realized.
I'm getting it right
Right,
here.
so
What do you
each
guys?
time it gets thicker, right?
So level.
Yeah,
Right
we
there.
do. I hear that. Okay. Oh.
No, it's not a big one.
Right there.
Can I have a seat now? What's that thing?
On my feet. I swear to God, someone will be these.
What?
Someone stands on my feet, they're gonna lose this. Oh.
That's it.
That's cute.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it.
Uh-huh.
Nothing
I'm
more.
over it.
Okay.
Should I move this up?
Asia. Alright. Don't move on.
Oh, what's that face, girl?
Ow. It not feel so nice.
Feeling good?
Yeah.
Mosquitoes.
You got tiny feet.
Yeah,
And
man.
you have to be careful of dengue, okay?
Oh yeah.
I know 2 people know
I
about
have a
dengue.
friend that just got it.
Yeah.
Can I sit in here?
Yeah, man, most definitely.
This is the only one that he'll well leave them.
You didn't go far enough, man. I know what's going on.
They got
They
the
didn't
two
take-
dogs.
It didn't take much time. We're at that one.
She. No, man, London.
Jamaica?
They didn't even feel. You can't even see nothing on that one.
What do you want to do about that?
Yes, it's supposed to be 2 dogs.
Let's get a
That dog's
toes
okay. That little dog needs to be done. You think they're okay, right? Leave them. Or
No, man, I do about everything.
You gonna go back over there?
No, I'm about 5 of them.
Then I want it that. I want me up.
Then I bike, you know, I'm one. I don't have to put out, I just put off.
Roll.
That's the sugar.
If you meet the one, no, I'm not tattoo.
Cupid kills.
Yeah.
Sure. And it's fast, so it's not that bad. You know, literally like 2-3 minutes.
Yeah, that was quick. The sugar cane helping.
It does, yeah. But yeah, this one will look a bit high.
I'll put you on the table.
Oh, don't touch that one. Ah.
We're home now and it's raining. Tattoo, new addition to the family. Alright, my friends, so it's raining as I showed you in the last clip. So I'm very wet, but I wanted to kind of give a little background about why I chose this tattoo. I kind of already did a video about my tattoos, and those of you that have watched it know that my tattoos have a lot of meanings to me, and they're kind of just a little representation of me, who I am, and just a little extension kind of me, almost, kind of, not really, because it's hard to put me into words. It's hard to, as all of us are, you know. It's we're multi-dimensional people, you know. So yeah, I just am. But I do love artwork, and I love I don't know, I think it's fun, and I like getting tattoos in places that I go and see, and sorry, I'm getting distracted. So as you guys saw, says Soul Rebel. Right now it's still protective wrap, but I got it because of the Bob Marley song Soul Rebel. I'm a rebel. So rebel. So my friend Paloma and I, we were kind of brainstorming. We were like, we want to get some like tattoos in Jamaica that like have to do with Jamaica, because she also loves collecting tattoos as well. So yeah, we were just kind of meditating on it, bouncing ideas, and first she says natural mystic, and I was like, bro, that's fire, I like that. And so she got natural mystic, I was debating natural mystic, and then she was like soul rebel, soul adventurer. And soul rebel just resonates with me because me never felt like, I'm always kind of going against the grain of the normal things, and just always walking to the beat of my own drum. And that's how I choose to live my life, and that's how I'll continue to live my life. It's just doing whatever makes me happy, and always prioritizing my soul over the opinions of others, or over whatever, the projections of others, the fear, anything, Me always gonna listen to myself first, listen to my heart first, and that is one of my priorities and goals in this life. In terms of evolution, personal evolution, is to honor my soul, my heart, what I feel, what I want to go out, to not be afraid to walk in my own path, So yeah, that's why I got it. Just a quick little explanation, but I resonate with the song. I always love the song. It's just, let me get the lyrics. I think he says something like, rebel, let them talk, soul rebel, talk won't bother me, I'm a capturer, that's what they say, soul adventurer, night and day. Not anything, I just love it. I just love it. It feels like me. So guys, so we've made it to the end of the video. I don't make enough outros. I plan to start getting better about these things, because if I truly see it as something I want to be putting my energy into, I'm kind of taking some time to reevaluate what I've won. That's why I haven't been posting in a while or whatever, but I'm not gonna force a creative process, it's supposed to be natural, it's supposed to flow natural. I only want to show the world my true reality, I not believe in forcing something, go here just for this video, no. I'm living my life, and I bring you guys with me, and that's just the reality of it, I am a solo traveler. I plan to travel all over the world, and Jamaica, it's not the only place I'll be. And so, I have enough things coming, and getting better at everything, and growing, and yeah, man. So, you guys that are here, that are always watching, thank you so much. Blessings to you, to your journey, and you mean a lot to me. And to those of you that are new here, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. And that is it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a like, and comment, and subscribe. Comment your favorite Bob Marley song. I want to know your favorite Bob Marley song. And yeah, alright.